That was a video of me choking, couldn't catch my breath. That was the end of it. Last night I didn't sleep again. I maxed out on 4 sleeping pills I can take. I still didn't sleep good. It's crazy that happens so much, most every day, sometimes 2, 3 times a day, and it's still so scary. Can't not being it, not being able to catch your breath. Yeah. Yeah. So hiccups still here. About to start. Try to start my day. And I know I look terrible whenever I choke like that. I get sweaty and greasy.